What's up, everybody? It's your girl Sneaker Mom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today we're gonna be reviewing the new Nike Sacai LDWaffle. First, we're gonna start out with the box. You got your normal orange Nike box, Nike Sacai box. Nike check on the side. Sizing on this side, it says Nike LDWaffle, Black Bright Citron, Cell. And in size of 6.5 in men's and an 8 in women's. Let's get into it. All right, first we're gonna get to this paper. You got your black paper that says Undercover June Takashi. That's the collab they have with Nike. Let y'all see that up close. The Sacai Waffle Undercover is a 3-time collab. So you got 3 different people that collabed in on this shoe. Let's take them out the box. Alright, let's set the box on the side. Alright, let's get this started. Here we go. Nike Sacai Waffle and Undercover collaboration. First, we're going to start out with this colorway. As you can see, it's black and bright citron. You got your black nylon toe box. You got your nice little gray suede leather going around. Well, not leather, just gray suede going around the toe box also. You got your white leather going around the toe box. You got your traditional Sacai with your 2 Nike checks. One of them is the bright citron and the other one is white. Yeah, white suede. And you got your white going all the way around the shoe. You got your citron, you know, bottom, which I would just say yellow, but citron is the color that they say. It has the traditional Nike Sacai on the back, double stitch. And then also on the back, extra layer right here, you got Nike Sacai and Undercover. All 3, which is a collaboration they have together. You got your traditional Sacai with the 2 tones. You got your first tone that's just black with the Nike sportswear on top, made in China. And then you got the second tone that's the citron and white, and it says Nike Undercover, made in Nike Undercover. June Takashi. Okay, I couldn't see that. Probably ain't gonna be able to see that since it's white. But yeah, inside you got your Nike Sacai on the inside. And then the inside is the yellow citron going around the inside of the shoe. And yeah, that's a nice shoe. It also comes with extra laces. You got a white, well, I would say sail shoelace right here. And it got gold tips on the end of it, which is nice. And it's like a flat ribbon type shoelace. Then it also comes with another shoelace that's gray, smoke gray with a like wax material. So that's nice. I wonder how those will actually look in there. It might be a nice add to it. I don't know. I would probably try these ribbon ones first because it'll make the shoe look really different. But we can go to the left shoe same way. You got your leather, white leather, sail leather going around the shoe. You got your smoke gray leather, suede on the top of the toe box. Your black nylon on the toe box also. And also the double shoestrings. You got your black ones, and then you got your citron ones on there with it. Also is a nice touch to the shoe. But yeah, inside the same citron bottom. They're a tad bit dirty. I wore them today, so you can excuse that. But yeah, this shoe was a nice shoe. It was easy to match with because you could just throw on a black sweatsuit, which I threw on today. You can check that out right there. And then I threw on that with a blue jean jacket to bring it out some more, and just nice little relaxed, cool outfit to just go out and be out and about in. And these shoes are so comfortable, so you can wear them all day and they don't hurt your feet. I will also, in these, I usually get a size up. For me, usually I get a 6 in men, but on these I get a 6.5 just for a little extra room. But if you don't really care about the room, and then I would just go true to size and you should be fine. But other than that, these shoes were a nice shoe. It came out on October 29th. It was this color. Then you had a maroon and blue pair, which I have coming in also. I'll be giving you a review on those also. And then it was a red and a green pair. I really didn't care for that. That was the least color I didn't like the most at all. But so I just went for these and the maroon pair. I actually got lucky and hit on these online. I didn't hit on sneakers, but I hit on another concepts. Hit on those on there, so I was super excited for those because I got the maroon ones first. But hey, these came in first, so hey, no complaints over here. But yeah, these was a nice shoe right here. I like the Sacai period. I mean, the Sacai Waffle is just a very comfortable shoe, nice shoe. You could just wear it pretty much all day. It's just a nice, comfortable shoe, and so I would definitely recommend these. If you don't have a pair of Sacai's, I would definitely recommend getting any of the colors because they all look nice. I mean, you can match them up pretty much with anything. So very nice shoe, very nice shoe. Y'all let me know down in the comments below, did y'all go for any of the 3 that came out on October the 29th? Which one did you like the best? Which one you think looked the best? Which colorway would you rock with? Would you go with the bright citrons or would you go with the maroon pair? Like I said, I got those coming in, so I'll be doing a review on those very soon. And yeah, this the Nike Sacai Waffle, nice shoe. I mean, not too much more to say about them. I really liked this colorway, so had to go for it. But yeah, y'all let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about them, and like my video, subscribe, and continue to just follow me with these shoe reviews. And hey, until the next time. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, I also have an on foot too, so you can check that out at the end of the video. But like I said, like, subscribe, and hey, it's your girl Sneaker Mom. And until the next time, peace.